Hi, my name is Donna and I'm your host here at Bipolar USA. This is video 1 of a 5-part video series to help you get started in your recovery process. I want you to remember that each one of us is different. We come from a different background, different experiences, our lifestyle is different, and most important, our body chemistries are different. We have different hormones that affect everything in our body. Because I'm not a brain expert, I'm going to put some links below of Dr. Mark Hyman, Dr. Daniel Amen, and Dr. Peter Bregan. Those are 3 people, 3 doctors that are fighting and advocating for mental health for people like us. They address everything from food to brain damage to sporting injuries when we were younger, in the psychiatric field that is constantly trying to mold us in different various ways. What helped me is I stopped all alcohol. I went to a plant-based diet for a while so that I can clean my system out. I eat everything organic. I do eat a lot of seeds and a lot of healthy fats. That helps me stay balanced. I also walk every day or go to the gym every day. I do get a great deal of a release from my stress level when I do elliptical machine for 30 minutes. I do yoga 3 times a week, and I also try to stay as busy doing projects and painting and things like that. They seem to help me. I'm a full-time student and do graduate this year. It has been difficult 3 years because it has. I've had to learn a lot of new things that, again, that I learned back in my teens and 20s. So it has been very taxing for my brain. I also own a couple companies with my daughters. So needless to say, I have problems sleeping, and I do a lot. And I'm not willing to give that up for a diagnosis. Now, I do take a psychiatric medication every day. I do want you to understand that I am not anti-med, but I am advocating for personal responsibility. Without that, we can't grow. We have to understand who we are from the very core of our body. So this is video 1. I hope you've gotten a lot of information out of it and that my experience has helped you to understand your own. Please follow the links below, the doctors that I recommend for you to pay attention to. They will help you understand your diagnosis and give you very good tips of the why and how to help you. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.